Okay. But now when we go to the entity data, we still have a problem to solve. So what we have the user data, but what we want is we want the post data. And this is the endpoint to retrieve the post, and this allows us to filter. So this is a GET request, and we can pass this user ID parameter with an ID, so like 1, and it will give me all the posts for user ID 1. You can also do it, for example, for like 8, you will get all the posts for 8, and so on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this data. So we have this button up here, and I will just click it. I will go ahead and create a new transformer. Like we call this get post for user, something like this. Then at the right side, I'm pasting the data as it is in the task. So this is the transformer tester. So the upper field is the input data, and the field below is the data after this transformer has executed. So we can do a lot of stuff with the transformer. So I'll first show you the most simple one. We can filter with the transformer. So you can create a filter, something like a value condition. Then we have this accessor, and this accessor basically tells Alumio, okay, I want to check on this field. So for example, we can do a key, and we can add the key like so. And now it will check the ID field for the condition I'm configuring here. So for example, I can check if the ID equals the value 10, like so. And now when I press test, we can see that this is empty. So this means the data will be filtered away because the ID in this case is 8. If I'm changing this ID to 10, it will go through. So now it matches the filter, so it will not be filtered away, so the data can be sent, right? But we can also do another check. So we can add another filter. So we can do multiple checks. So we can do something like, maybe this time I will do a pattern accessor. And we can check for the company name. So we can do something like company.name. And we can check if it equals the string foobar, something like this. So now when I press test, it will be filtered away. Why? Because, well, it matched the first condition. The ID is number 10, so that matched. But the company name is not foobar, but the company name is Abernethy Group. So if this would be foobar, then it would have not been filtered away. So this way you can chain infinite amounts of filter options. We can also do it from here. So we can do like a logic ends, something like this, and we can maybe do check if the ID is greater than 9. Oh, greater than 9, but less than 11, something like this. You can also test this. So now it will work because the ID is 10, but if the ID is 9, it will be filtered away.